So if I expand users, you can see create user, which is used for creating user accounts. Credential operations, which means if I want to change the password, if I want to set some password for user accounts, I can get use of it. And lifecycle operations, which is, activate users, deactivate, unlock, suspend user. Set as a temporary password. So all those actions okay. And list users in the sense. It will display the list of users. Okay, for example, if I want to get a find user. Let me see this. Yeah. Okay. So in this value you can see the task is for get current user, which means in which account I have logged in. Okay. This Okta API that details will be shown here. Okay. If I click send, see automatically. I have logged in as Ramchandran account, so all my account information will be populated here. For example, what is my status? Okay. When my account got created, when my account got activated. Okay. When was the last login that I did? I think today morning I did. So it's 23 today morning. Okay. And when was the last password change happen? Okay. And what is the type of my account? If you scroll up, scroll down, my account is managed only in Okta. Okay. Which means my account is an Okta mastered account. Okay. And what is my credential? Actually, password will not be shown here. But yeah, if you want to update the password, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, and my login ID. This is my login ID. This is my email, my first name, last name, mobile country code. Okay, and if you scroll up, okay, all these things are the external factors. That is not there. Okay, so likewise right now, if you see I have pulled an user information from Okta to this API. Okay, with the help of this API, what I can do is I can able to get the information which is available in Okta and I can able to post some information in Okta. Okay, like from this API to Okta. For example, we want to create a user here that we can also request. Yes, you can do. For example, just that's what I'm going to do right now. So if you see I'm going to create a user with password, okay. If you select this option, select this task, automatically you will get a tab. Okay, in this, if you see the body, you will get a predefined attributes. Okay, if you can see, these are the predefined attributes that you can see. So now let me create some account, okay. First name. I can give something like okay. Okay. So same thing. Whatever you are doing right in your console, Okta console same thing you are doing right now. And if you want to enter the passwords, remove this one. Enter the password. Okay, welcome at 1, 2, 3. So that is done. Now we can click send. Okay. So here you can see, the status is 200. Okay, which means we have sent something from this API to Okta. Okta has sent us a status OK. 200 means it is OK, which means successful OK. You can see the account has been created when it is created 23rd of 8th. Just now it got created, so all this information will be mentioned here, OK, and my email ID and my login detail. OK, and my password. I think it will not be shown here, and my account has been created as an Okta master accounts, so it says Okta, OK. And let's go and verify in Okta. Yeah, so here you can see, it got created. Okay, now it is in, not an activated state. Okay, now let's try to activate this account. For activating this account, what it can do is you can see something like activate user under life cycle operations. Yeah, under life cycle operations you can see activate user. Okay, let's open that. And if you see here it is asking for user ID. You can see, it is in that some different color, right? Which means here we need to enter the user ID. Okay, what? What is the ready we need to enter? The user ID that you need to enter is not this one. Okay, you need to enter this value. Okay, you should not enter this one because Okta only sorry. The API only know this value. Okay. For each and every user, this value will be unique. For each and every group also, this value will be unique. So this is the one that I need to get it. So copy this, OK, and try to update here. OK, so I have entered that user detail now. OK, now click send. So it says it is status 200, which means it is activated. Now let's go and refresh this ID. It is activated. OK, if you see it is active. OK, so this is done. And let's say, if you want to create a user account with password OK, and recovery questions, what you can do is go to body and create your account that you want. As same as the same thing. OK, let it be like a Gmail.com. OK. And password should be there. Let's update the password. And you want to update the security questions, or you can keep it like this. OK, then click send. It will be sent. Status, OK. So if you search with Isak, you will get that account created and it will also be there in activate. Sorry, OK. It got activated, I guess, so we have selected that way only. OK. So create activated user and password recovery questions. So whenever we have created that account, it will be automatically activated. That's what we have selected. OK, like basic perform. And let's say, if you want to create a user in a group, OK, in particular group, so you have to mention the group ID. OK, let's do it. I need to get one group Okta master group. Let's take a bulk API group. OK, I want to get this group ID. So this is my group ID. Copy this bulk group ID value and update this here. OK, it's updated. Now I want to update all these details. Let it be with 1, sorry. Okay. So I have updated this. Now click send. Okay, my ID has been created. Now let's see. This group refresh. So my ID has been created now. Okay. So, likewise, all the actions you can perform from this task. Okay. You can perform from this API. Okay. And it's not only restricted just to users. You can do it for groups.